my new tutorial. Today I want to show you how you can make geometry nodes animations which you can change in the graph editor as you are used to it, and just by moving the keyframe values here. So in this case I want to move the lower animation a little bit later, so I just take these keyframes GX and then just move it to the right, and you see now one animation is after the other. How do I do this? Shout out to Sozap from BlenderArtists who helped me here with this idea. And the idea is not to use input values keyframe starting and then duration or keyframe end here, but to use a slider value from 0 to 1. And then in the geometry node editor, you can use, of course, the string length, and you drive these keyframe value from 0 to 1, which you can see here also, from the start value, which is keyframed, and the end value, which is 1. Start value is 0. And then you map that value from 0 to 1 to 0 to the length of the string you want to animate. Of course, you can use this here for any other animation as well. Instead of string lengths, you could animate a curve or whatever. But the important point is you can now keyframe it, and you can animate, change the animation time here in the graph editor as you are used to do it. And the big advantage is if you have here hundreds of animation and you want to move all animations, maybe a little bit to the right and all left, all here a little bit to the left, then in the old normal geometry nodes way, you would have to change here the start frame and the end frame value for every geometry nodes modifier, which is very time consuming, and I hate these tedious tasks. And that's why I asked on BlenderArtists, and Sozap answered me just this solution, which I like very much, because you don't need an additional object and animate an empty and then use that here, but just animate the slider value, and then you can just move here the value for the keyframes for the slider from 0 to 1, and then you can move the animation. I hope you like it. I hope you have fun. Bye.